Hello guys, this video about the second part of the arithmetic progression. We will talk about sum of n term in arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression. There are 8 terms and then you need to find the sum of the all 8 terms. Then we can write it as S8. S8 you can get as by adding these all terms. It's so easy. You need to add these 8 terms: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13, 15 and 17. Then easily you can get the sum of 8 terms will be 80. S8 mean sum of 8 terms, it is 80. The important thing is we are going to build a formula to find sum of n term. Then you can get the idea by using this method. I am writing first step as sum 1. It is, you can add these all numbers in the same order. Then you can get it as the addition of all terms is 80. It is marked as number 1 equation. Then second equation, I put the total in the descending order. Then also you can get the answer as 80. We are going to do here is make a formula by using this theory. This is second equation. These two are same equation. By adding these 1 and 2 you get as left hand side is S1 plus S2. Right hand side I am writing like this: 3 plus 17 is 20, 5 plus 15 is 20, 7 plus 13 is 20, 9 plus 11 is 20. Like this order. Then you can see here right hand side there are 8 times of 20. Then you can write it as 8 into 20. And left hand side you can put the left hand side, you can see S1 and S2 is same term. I put S1 and S2 as the sum of those 8 terms. Then we can write it as S8 plus S8, it is 2S8 as a notation, and right hand side is 8 into 20. Then you can get a S8, it is 1 over 2 into 8 into 20. I write it as 8 over 2 into 20. Shall we notify what are these terms will be? Shall we convert this form into another form? For the 20 we can write it as 3 plus 17. These 3 and 17 are very special because 3 is first term and 17 is last term. We got a special form of finding sum of the any terms. Then 3 is first term and 17 is last term. We can write this form as a formula. You know 8 is the number of terms. Then you can put the Sn. N is number of terms. Then we can put the n for the number 8 over 2. A is the first term and L is the last term. This is the formula to find the sum when you know the first term and last term. Especially in here you should know the last term. This formula you can use only when you know the last term, but if you don't know the last term, it is maybe a issue. Then we can make another formula for finding sum when you know or when you don't know about the last term. You know how to find the n term by using Tn formula we learned in a previous video. Then considering last term with the n term, you can substitute Tn for the last term like this: a plus n minus 1 d. It's for last term. Then you need to simplify this. This is 2a plus n minus 1 d. Yes, this is the new formula for finding sum of n term. If you don't know the last term, you need only first term and common difference. Then formula is n over 2a n minus 1d. This can be used for anywhere to finding sum of n term. First example is there is a arithmetic progression 2, 4, 6, 8. You need to find the sum of first 30 terms. Then you know here first term is 2, common difference is also 2, and n will be 30 because we are going to finding S30. Do you know the last term? No, we don't know the last term. Then we can't use first formula. We need to use second formula. It is n over 2a plus n minus 1d formula. Then only thing is you to substitute all terms for this, and then you can find the S30. n is 30 over 2 and a is 2 into 2 plus n is again 30 minus 1 d is 2. Then it is 15, there is 4 plus 29 into 2, 15, 4 plus 58. You got this step as 15 into 4 plus 58, then 15 into 62. Then you will be get the sum of first 30 terms is 930. Okay, shall we move to the another example? In this example, first term has given and last term is also given, and common difference is minus 5. Then you need to find the S16, which means sum of first 16 terms. Then we can use the formula n over 2 a plus l because you know the last term. Then only thing is you have to substitute values. Then n is 16 over 2, a is 75, l is 0. Then it is 8 into 75. You get the answer as 16 as 600. This is the sum of first 16 terms. Let's check another type of case. In this case, a progression is given like this, but we don't know about the how many terms are there. We don't know the n, simple n. Then first thing is we need to find how many terms in this arithmetic progression. Then we can use the Tn formula to find the how many terms in this formula. We can use the last term for the Tn because when you go n terms you can find the last term as 2. Then a is 70 and n is we don't know about the n. D is minus 4. Then when you simplify this, it is 70 minus 4n plus 4. Then it is 74 minus 4n. We can find the value of n by simplify this. Then 4n equal to 74 minus 2 by changing the side. Then 4n equal 72. You got the answer as 18 for the number of terms. Then you can move to the next part. We are going to find the sum of first 18 terms. Then n is equal 18. First term is, you can see it is 70. L is, you know, here it is last term 2. Then you can use the Sn equal n over 2 a plus 1 formula because you know the last term. Then you need to substitute S18 equal to 18 over 2, 70 plus 2. Then it is about 9 into 72. If you multiply this, you can get the sum of first 18 term. It is what? 648. This is the sum of first 18 terms. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos and stay with us. Goodbye for now.